Hi, I'm Molly, and I did my innovation project on Spandex and kind of the direction it is going to aim for sustainability. Um, so to start, I'm going to share a little bit of the brief history of spandex. In the 20th century, it was invented at DuPont, a chemical company, by a chemist named Joseph Shivers. While he was working as a researcher on polymers, he came up with lycra, which is just another name for spandex. Um, and he won an innovation award for it, and that's just a picture of him. He passed away in 2014. So the unit that I chose was the synthetic fibers unit, and in the lecture, it said fibers made from synthetic polymers that are in turn made from basic raw materials by addition of condensation polymerization. Um, so spandex is classified as a synthetic fiber because it's oh my gosh, man-made and not derived from natural resources. Um, yeah, and it's produced through a chemical process involving the polymerization of specific compounds to create highly elastic polymers known as polyurethane. The entire production of spandex, from the creation of its polymers to the manufacturing, is a result of a human-made process, making it synthetic. Some of the impacts that it's had on the world. It's renowned for its elasticity, providing fabrics with stretch and recovery properties. Um, I guarantee most of everyone's closet has some form of lycra or spandex in it. It's a good performance fabric. Incorporated with other blends of fibers, it creates this. Um, they can have specific properties such as moisture, wicking, breathability, quick drying capabilities. Um, so it's used for a lot of outdoor gear and athleisure wear. So I'm gonna touch much more on the sustainable innovations of it, but just to briefly touch on it before the next slide. Um, Traditional spandex production involves petrochemicals, but there's growing interest, which I'm going to discuss, into developing more sustainable alternatives. Um, it's easy to customize. So the flexibility of spandex lends itself to 3D printing technologies and customized garment manufacturing. It has the ability to create precisely fitted designs and spandex-based materials. Um, Medical and healthcare textiles, spandex stretch properties make suitable for applications in medical textiles such as compression garments and bandages. And then fashion design possibilities. It's opened up new possibilities for designers, enabling them to create innovations and avant-garde pieces. Its stretch and recovery properties allow for unique silhouettes, textures, and forms that are not easily achieved with more traditional forms of textile. So the new sustainability practice, this is all stemmed, it's in my resources, obviously, but it's all stemmed from the CEO, the current CEO of Spandex. It wrote a letter about sustainability practices. I believe it was October of 2022, so fairly recent. Obviously, in our current climate, as you know, a world, global warming is a very concerning possibility, and a lot of brands in a lot of areas are trying to go a more sustainable route, but precisely in the textile industry, because a lot of our waste comes from like the fashion industry and things like that. So um I'm there's some points here. I'll read through them. I'm going to focus mostly on the product innovation, but read through these real quick. Sustainability strategy and roadmap, collaborations with the leadership and head of sustainability, and emphasis on circular economy, responsible sourcing, and eco-friendly product development. Rebranding for sustainability, which is very important in marketing. Rebranded in May 2022 with a focus on a circular economy, aspirations to reuse and recycle materials, and commitment to environmentally responsible products. Transparency and accountability, added a sustainability section to their website. 5-point sustainability strategy outlined for stakeholders and internal accountability. I'm gonna just skip to the last one and then I'll go back. I probably should have ordered those differently. But the operation improvement, 47% of electricity from renewable resources, plans for solar panels installation, carbon offsetting in Switzerland, and reduced carbon footprint in the UK. So now to the product innovation, Image Perfect Evergreen. PVC free range of printing and signage films with water-based solvent-free adhesive. Image Perfect Evergreen stands out as a PVC-free alternative in the print and signage firms marketing. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, which is, sorry, what PVC stands for, is known for its environmental impact during production and disposal. Choosing a PVC-free alternative is a sustainable step towards reducing the ecological footprint. Water-based and solvent-free adhesives are also very important. The product employs a water-based adhesive, eliminating the use of traditional solvent-based adhesives. And solvent-based adhesives can release volatile organic compounds, contributing to air pollution and potential health concerns. By operating for a water-based adhesive, Spandex is minimizing these environmental and health impacts. There's a holistic environmental responsibility. Image Perfect Evergreen takes a comprehensive approach to environmental responsibility, considering it's not only the primary film material, but also the adhesive and overall product packaging, which is another very important thing to consider in the sustainability of textiles is packaging. The holistic approach ensures that every aspect of the product's life cycle aligns with sustainability goals, making it appealing choice for environmentally conscious customers, which I frankly hope we all are these days. So, yeah, and those are my resources. So I hope I did a good job at explaining the innovation of Spandex's aim to go more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Thank you.